Hello and welcome back to another TechAirSpace video. Back in September 2024, I made a video about the TD-H3, a cool little dual band handheld radio. The H3 is one of my favorite radios, not only for looks or size, but because it has a clean transmit on ham bands and it supports third-party custom firmware. It's also one of the few handheld transceivers that can be programmed using a USB-C socket located on the radio itself by using a standard USB cable. Overall, it is a pretty decent radio, especially at its current price point of around $30. Compared to a top-tier radio, the price difference is massive. Previously, I made a video about how to update the standard firmware, but today we are taking a look at a custom firmware made by a guy under a nickname of NicSure. He has developed a custom firmware which makes the TD-H3 feel new and fresh. It even has additional and different features compared to the stock firmware. As with all custom firmware, it's totally unsupported from TIDRADIO. If you need help with anything, there is a very good Facebook page for this firmware. All the necessary links will be in the video description. First, you need to visit nicsure.co.uk nightly builds page to download the latest firmware. Click on the Download V2 button to get the latest build of the version 2 firmware. Next, we'll visit the NicSure main page and click on the link for the Flash utility. At this point, you should connect your radio to your computer with a USB cable. After that, we'll choose the file that we just downloaded. Next, we'll select the USB serial port of the radio. In my case, it's the COM6 port. Now it's time to press the Flash firmware button. Turn on the radio while holding the PTT button. This will initiate the firmware flash operation, and the screen remains black until the process has completed. Process won't take long. Now your new firmware is stored into the device and ready for use. I won't go into the details how the firmware works, since there are already quite a few nice videos about it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. That's it for today. Like, sub, and stay awesome.